Mycryptoview cryptocurrency platform is open to everyone. After the Titanic hit an iceberg, the captain ordered the band to start playing to keep passengers calm. And what do banks say when it comes to crypto? The same thing. To calm down, that crypto is a scam. But how can you be calm when behind your back, Wall Street is investing big time in crypto? Welcome to Mycryptoview, a cryptocurrency platform on a mission to raise crypto awareness. Let's start with the basics. Cryptocurrency is a digital asset that can be used as a medium of exchange where transactions are stored in a cluster of computers. The first cryptocurrency built on blockchain technology is Bitcoin, the brainchild of famously unknown Satoshi Nakamoto. Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency on the blockchain and the first with a smart contract protocol founded by Vitalik Buterin. While you can use Bitcoin as a store of value and medium of exchange, with Ethereum you can build real-life asset applications. Both Bitcoin and Ethereum are totally decentralized and free of banks and government control. Join thousands of crypto enthusiasts worldwide who are building a new financially independent and transparent world. While we learn, share our crypto experiences, and help others, we are rewarded with MCV, Mycryptoview.com tokens. Sign up now for free. You're just a few clicks away from getting your MCV tokens. Mycryptoview.com.